Ciranova's Titan hard wax oil is particularly suitable for oiling wooden floors and furniture. As the name suggests, it's a special mix of elements that create a unique super strength solvent-based oil that has a long open time and is ideal for use with a roller, leaving an exceptional natural-looking, scratch-resistant finish. Make sure the surface being treated is clean, dry, and free from dust, dirt, or any other contaminants. If the job is a restoration, old finish coats must be completely removed. Sand using the correct method. Deep sanding with a 60 to 80 grit, and then finishing with a 100 grit. Stir thoroughly before use and do not dilute. Always do a test area before starting any project to check product suitability and that you'll be happy with the final finish and colour. When applying to a floor, first go round the edges with a brush and then work out of the room using your roller going with the grain direction. A short to medium pile roller is recommended for a smooth, even finish. Keep an eye out for any missed areas and keep the roller well loaded with Titan. Leave to dry for at least 8 hours before applying the second coat. If you feel it needs it, a light sanding can be done between coats, but it's not essential. And look at this stunning result. Your floor will be ready for light use after 24 hours and fully cured in 2 weeks. It can be used, but don't clean with water during this time. Titan is available in 3 gloss levels: matte, satin and silk. For this job, we went for the matte option. As always, if you need further help, the wood care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.